YouTuber loses his patience waiting for the Tesla Roadster and builds his own. Customers are still eagerly waiting for their Tesla Roadsters. I don't think, is there even a timeline? I don't think there's even a timeline, right?
No, not yet.
So this guy, the headline implies that he just really needed one, but the other part of it, Will, is that you're doing the YouTube thing.
Yeah,
so
there's a lot of engineers on YouTube now.
So
a lot of scientists. And
exactly. So
building their own thing.
You have an opportunity to build something cool, and you've got the Tesla branding in there, so you'll get some couple of people watching it, and so now you can go do your interesting experiments and builds. The hugely anticipated Tesla Roadster continues to be a work in progress for the EV automaker. I would say a low priority, and it clearly started to get on people's nerves. Oh, Shrimp Apple Pro's in the chat. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if it's the Shrimp Apple Pro, but you guys know it's my favorite leaker name, period, and it's not. There's no close second. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. By the way, check out the iPhone 15 render with buttons.
Okay.
So I think Shrimp Apple Pro is hitting us with the breaking news. Probably involved in it himself. You never know.
There's a lot of memes here.
Yeah, well, I think you can just type iPhone 15 render, probably. There you go. Base model seems to have the old mute switch. So we're looking at some CAD drawings that look like they originally showed up on, what is that, TikTok? Is that Chinese TikTok?
Douyin?
Yeah. So we have the diagonal camera layout, as mentioned. We have our buttons here on the side, including our famous silent switch, hold switch. Base model vanilla iPhone 15, and then Shrimp Apple Pro response saying poor people model, yes. Shots fired. Or people who want value, or people who want the smaller one.
Sure.
Well, oh no, I guess it isn't the smaller one anymore.
The camera bump seems
purely
to be
value
very,
at this point.
minimal.
Yeah, you're right. That looks like a shrunken power bump for sure.
Power bump?
Or camera bump.
Yeah.
Yeah, or power bump.
Yeah. Cool.
I was busy looking at the power port there, trying to determine if that's Lightning or Type-C.
Oh, right.
And that's why I had power on my mind. But I'm guessing it's still Lightning. One more time?
Maybe.
One more time, or no? Europe? I can't remember what the current report is. Shrimp Apple Pro, let us know. Are we going one more?
Shrimp Apple Pro, let us know.
Let us know in the chat. Are we going one more Lightning sequence on the 15, or are we going to Type-C on the 15? Come on, Shrimp Apple Pro. We got you in the chat, dude. We got to take full advantage of the expertise and the leaking and so forth. Okay, so yes, this is somebody trying to rectify their Tesla Roadster, their lack of a Tesla Roadster, by making a YouTube video and constructing something that looks kind of like it. Now, I'm guessing it's built on another Tesla, probably a Model 3 or something.
He's saying all C, all Type C. So I'm guessing all models moving forward is Type C.
You gotta appreciate those live updates. Well,
okay, yeah,
that's huge right there. Yeah. This is. I mean, we haven't played the CNN Ultra music in a while, but
no, I don't have it anymore.
It's not on your board anymore. You guys
put it back.
Step your board up.
I know, yeah,
because that was a moment for it, and there haven't been many. But when you get Shrimp in the chat, damn, dude, you pay attention. Other guys are saying, "Go ahead, Shrimp." That's what they're saying. Go ahead.
Respect C.
Anyway, okay, so let's go ahead. I don't know. What do we got? A lot of duct tape, it looks like, trying to get that body kit on there.
Yes. It's obviously not done. He's showing it on the YouTube channel Cyber Hooligan. And it's kind of like a work in progress. Everything is DIY, obviously. It's not original parts. But you can kind of see like his progress. So he did the front of it.
Looks pretty cool,
it's just
honestly.
waiting to be painted.
Looks pretty cool.
I think his latest update is working on the back.
So his name is David Andreev, and he's on Instagram. He's I guess it's kind of like a partnership with the YouTube channel and stuff going on. The hood is aftermarket. It isn't perfect. It's the only one there is until he puts the original one on. He mentions that his vision is to make it look like a Tesla Cybertruck from the front. The fenders slowly begin to take shape, but everything still looks like a rough sketch at this point. Yeah. Wow. What an undertaking.
Yeah.
Really
but he
ambitious
seems to get
stuff.
that big light strip on the back there.
Cool.
So it is.
I kind of like the deconstructed look of it, like Mad Max type look to it at the moment. Cyber Hooligan is where you can check it out. The Cyber Roadster is still a work in progress, but I believe you can follow along. Yeah, you can follow along. You can absolutely follow along. Cyber Hooligan on YouTube, step by step. You can do it. You can do it yourself. You have a Model 3, Will.
Yeah, sure.
You can do it step by step.
Yeah. I'll take it apart and then build it.
You can do this step by step on that.